Welcome, and from me is a RUGGEAR RG850, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So the tray is located right here on the upper left side of the device, and it's not necessarily the easiest one to open. I used this normal thing that you get a SIM eject tool with other devices to basically pry the little rubber piece out. So I just kind of like wiggled it till I had enough space to just kind of take it out like so. And from there you have the tray, which you also need to take out. Now it helps if you have longer nails, I guess, but basically you can see, hopefully if I can hold this out of the way, you can see this metal piece that is right now shining. So you want to basically grab it with your nail like so and just take it out. There we go. So it comes out like so. And from here you have space for the either two different SIM cards or one SIM and one SD. Now I'm gonna show, like, if you want to use two SIMs, one would go like here and the other one on the next space, as you can see right now. But I'm gonna use one SIM and one SD card for this purpose. Oops. So I'll do it like so. Okay, so it's gonna lay like this. Make sure that they're laying flush, and then you wanna flip it over so this is the side facing you. And from here, while holding them securely, you want to slide it back into the device. There we go. Okay, and now let's unlock the device, and you can see that there's a SIM card. I need to put in the pin for it, so just do that. And there's also the SD card. So as you can see, both of them are working just fine. And that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.